Hello everyone, this is Chris from SlashGear. Today we're taking another look at the HTC Titan 2. This is the device that's on AT&T running Windows Phone Mango, which means it's the newest version of Windows Phone that you can have, and it has its biggest features are the fact that it has a 4.7-inch screen, which is gigantic, especially for a Windows Phone. Not many phones have anything near this size. And then on the back you have a 16 megapixel camera. These are some examples of that camera's results in the review. You'll be able to see them, photos as well as video. Down the bottom here you have a removable cover to put your SIM card in there. And it says HTC and Windows Phone on the back. There's two LED flash right there, as well as a speaker. That's everything on the back. Now you can check the other part of the hands-on to see the rest of the hardware. As far as the software goes, it's a pretty standard Windows Phone experience. What you're seeing here is how mine looks after having used it for an extended period. I have most of the same tiles up that came with the device, except on the bottom I have a couple additions. I have Spotify and Cloud City Music. Cloud City Music is an app which accesses Google Music, which is a free service, and streams it. And then Spotify obviously works with music streamed from Spotify, and that's a paid application. Here in Me, if I tap that, I can get updates from Facebook. I can check other things from Facebook through here and get updates like that. And you can see this interface looks very similar to what we've seen with Windows Phone so far. We also have a calendar that's connected to my Google Calendar. Right here we have pictures. You'll see some of the pictures that I captured this Easter, which was just a couple days ago. You can see me there with my baby, and all flows very well. Now this device has a single core processor in it, but because Windows is sort of optimized for that kind of experience, you don't need anything more than a single core to have a great experience on here. You can see over here we've got a few different apps we've downloaded, including HTC's own flashlight. Tap that to get more light out of the back like that. Now these two apps work with different elements for different sets of music. Now Spotify is an app which you can download for free, but only works if you have a paid account. Spotify streams music and has a different interface than you will see on any other mobile device, whereas Apple and Google's version of this application look very similar. This one has the whole screen like this, very stylized version of what you see on other devices. You can go into here and play playlists. Let's go right in here and go to song. And I'll play in a moment. And you can flip through songs like so, like that, and it's pretty cool. Now again, that's not an app that comes with this device, but it does work rather nice on this device. We also have Cloud City Music. This application works with Google Music, which is a free service, where you can put all the music you want to a point on Google Music for free, and then you can stream it with this app. This app is a third-party app, but it works with Google Music right out of the box. I can go to Now Playing, see if there's anything in there. Yep, I had a Kanye West track playing, so I press play, see if it'll go. This application isn't perfect, but it's free, so it's pretty cool. Go left or right, let's just skip this for now, how about that? You can go to playlist, see tracks, and eventually it plays the music. So, select the track, let's pause, again. As you can see here, when I press the volume, it shows that track being played up here as well. So this music app, like many music apps you can download, work with the inner workings of your device. So if you have the music playing in here in the app, you can see it and control it from your volume button as well. What else we got down here is the Htc Hub. This hub makes Windows Phone really active in that it can show you your local area, what the degrees are, how nice it is outside. Once you go in there, you can see more about weather in all kinds of different areas. You have this sort of widget on the top that looks very similar to Android. You can also see stock information. You can get news from several news feeds, whatever you want, and you can get featured. Now featured has a bunch of apps that work specifically well on this device for Windows Phone. So you got things like Tetris and HTC Watch to go get movies and download them. Tango Video Calls allows you to connect with other people using Tango to do video calls from this device. And then you got Photo Enhancer. Now